Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm showing y'all how to edit my pictures on my Instagram page. I get this so requested to do a video on this, or what are the presets that I use, how do I edit with them, how much are they, what are presets. So I love using presets because if I did not have presets, my Instagram page would be all over the place. Like, the colors would be terrible. I would not know how to edit at all. I love presets because it gives it like a one-click edit. You literally click the edit, and then you could tweak it, or you can turn down like the color on it. It just helps make your Instagram page float, especially if you're a blogger and you really like to have your page float. Presets is a great option for you, or if you just want to know how to edit and have better pictures, that is great also. So I do use a Glow presets. Her shop is on Etsy. You can purchase all the presets on there. They're about $5 to $6, which is so affordable. I love using them. She has so many presets, I really cannot count. I have about 15 of them, and literally weekly I always get new ones. But for the sake of today's video, I'm not showing y'all like how to get the presets. I'm only showing y'all how I edit with them and help my Instagram page look the way it does. If y'all want to see my Instagram page and the flow and the feed of it, you can be sure you go check it out. And I have it all down below. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and I hope you all enjoy. Okay, so first things first, to start off with, you're gonna want the Adobe Lightroom app. This is free to all of viewers. The only thing that you're gonna have to buy are gonna be the presets. Presets are really ever free. They can range from like $1, and they can go all the way up to $50. Just depends on who you're purchasing from. This is why I love to use a Glow presets, because y'all, they're about $5. They're super affordable. I love them. So this is going to be the picture that we're going to edit today. As you can see, this is outside taken in nature near some green. So we're going to make sure that we bring out that pop of color. Alrighty, so to begin with, you're going to want to scroll all the way to the right where it says presets. Now, I love to do it this way because you can click each individual preset to see how that preset looks for your photo. Personally, y'all, I love Bright. It is one of my go-to. I love it. Clean and Crisp is also one of my new favorites. She just came out with this one, and it doesn't really give as much color. It just really brightens it and sharpens the color. I like that too. Emerald is a really good one if you are outside of nature and you just want to bring out those greens. If you love nature, I would highly suggest Tropical as well. You can see kind of the difference between that one. Summer Glow is really good if you want to bring out the blues, especially if you are on a beach vacation and you have a picture in front of the ocean. Summer Glow would be very great for that. Anyway, so I'm really going to go for Emerald because I personally just love this one. So we're going to click the check mark, which means that you're good to go for that preset. Now, I always like to start off with detail, and I always like to tone down the sharpening all the next thing. I'm going to go to effects, and usually I will make sure that clarity is like in the middle. I don't like it to be any less in the middle or any more. Even dehaze, I'm going to tone that down as well. So next we're going to go to color. I always like to increase the saturation. It really just depends on the picture. Like, if you do it really high, that just does not look good. So I kind of like to keep it around there. Sometimes I will go to this little color icon where it says mix. Click that, and you can click each individual color, and you can maybe have some more reds, or you can increase the saturation and bring out the reds. So if you have any specific colors, like in the picture, like the greens, you can make the green darker, you can make it lighter. I really love how all that plays out. But for this picture, we're just gonna leave it be. Okay, so for the light, so I'm going to definitely increase the exposure. This just brightens the picture a little bit better. So y'all can go ahead and see the before and then the after, how much it really plays out. After that, I do like to increase the whites. Because my Instagram feed is very bright, I like to make sure that everything in the background is a little bit more white. I don't really touch the black, I kind of leave that be. Let me give y'all a closer up view. This is before, and that is after. I think I am going to go back to the color and click the greens, and you can lightly fade the greens or increase it a lot more. So I think I'm going to turn it to around there. I think that'll be good enough. The hue, I'm going to keep it about where it was. I'm going to scroll down to like the luminous so y'all can see what that looks like. Kind of increases the whites of the green. So we're just going to keep that like that. The orange kind of make you look a little bit tanner if you want to, but I really don't like to increase the color of my skin because then like it just makes you look fake, and I don't really want to put as much like color on me than not normal, if you guys know what I mean, because I'm very fair skinned, and if people see that my Instagram pictures are like an orange, they're gonna be like, you edited your picture. So you kind of want to keep your pictures or your edits as realistic as you can, because some people just over edit their pictures and you know that they did. But honestly, that's just my personal opinion. You do not have to listen to anything that I say. So this is everything. I'm gonna click this down, show y'all the before, and there is the after. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this video was a big help for you. If it was, be sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see any more of these type videos, then be sure you also give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you've ever tried a glow preset, and if you have not, what preset would be the first pick that you would buy. They're so affordable, so you're not really losing any money because you're making your Instagram page and your pictures bomb. So win-win situation there. So I hope you all enjoyed it, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.